guys, it's CCTV. Today we have your Kate, and today I'm going to show you how to make slime. I don't know if it's a failure or not, so I'm going to try it out. And make sure before we do this video, give us like and I'm out of word now. Whoa. Just like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, so let's get on. So what you've been needing, use favorite slime. What you've been needing is a Tupperware, actually a Tupperware or a bowl, glue. You can use Elmer's glue. I don't know if this actually works, so I can't find Elmer glue in America. It's really hard. I just traveled to America. And borax, I just mixed it. Borax mixed with water and 2 spoons, and yeah. So first you're gonna take your glue. Open that. I'm not gonna empty it all sometimes, because this is my only glue I have. Sometimes I do a lot of arts and craft. So look how much of this guy is. I'm just gonna use this much. And just, I'm sorry, I forgot to say this in the intro. I'm also gonna show you how to make, what do you call it? Soft Play-Doh, the softest Play-Doh ever. So yeah. If you want, you can make it food dyed. You just have glue. So I'm just gonna mix the glue for a bit, stir it. I don't want food dye because the last time, remember part 1, how the food dye, like, it's all watery. I don't like it. Just add little by little. Okay, now it's starting to form, I think. Let's hope. Okay, now I'm just wasting this glue for no reason, I'm thinking. Oh no. That's more. Maybe guys, I should go get laundry detergent. Wait, I don't want to leave you alone hanging like that. Just a sec. Okay guys, sorry but we didn't have any. I didn't know that was all glue. No! I hate this spoon falling. I just wish it never fell. Okay, now the glue is going to be so stuck in the spoon. Yeah, I'm going to stay with the spoon. I think I didn't mix it well. So. No! I hate this. I hate my day. Not with you guys, not because of the stupid spoon. Sorry I had to say that. No, I think that's a bit too much. I'm so sad. No. I just destroyed all my arts and crafts glue just for slime. Wait, is this actually working? I don't think so. I wish there was Elmer's glue in America. Anyways, tomorrow I'm leaving. So I might do a tutorial tomorrow. I'm so sad I'm leaving America. It's so beautiful. And if you want to visit me, I'm literally in the capital of America. I forgot what's the name. Yeah, I live in this hotel. I'm like sleeping in this hotel. You better come see me today if you're from America and you're my fan. So I'm in America today, and I just borrowed a den. Yeah, and we borrowed a den because I don't know. We just borrowed this house. Now we're somewhere. We're not in the den. We're not in our hotel. Just wanted to our grandma's house in America. This is your house. This is. So sorry, Tertiary. No! Why am I out? Come. God. Come. I said come. Did you hear me? Oh, I didn't see you there. Okay, this makes liquid slime. Actually, I keep forgetting to pause you. I'll see if I have like some spray that works.